Today I'm going to show you how to use the split screen function on the iPad, which can be really helpful when you're doing research in a database or a website and taking notes in an application like Google Docs or Google Slides. So the main thing you need to know is that it's helpful to have both of those applications down in the dock of your iPad. I'm going to do research on Mr. McWhirter's site, so you can see that he is in my dock, and I'm going to use that information as I create my presentation in Google Slides. Now, if you don't have those applications in your dock, this is what you would do. Just find it on your home page. So there's Mr. McWhirter, and just tap on it to open it up. And I'm going to go ahead and select Mel Kids from my database. And I'm going to do research on Britannica School. So I go down to Britannica Middle School and open that up. And I will be doing research on John Adams. So I'm going to find him on biographies here. And I'll go up to search and type in Adams. Oops. And there you see, here he is right there. Tap on him. And here I have my article on John Adams. So that's where I'd be doing my research and getting my information. Now it would be really nice as I'm getting this information and finding photos that I can use, and then to have my application that I'm going to put it in sharing the screen with this page. So that's what I want to show you how to do. All right, so now I'll just take my finger down to the very bottom of my iPad until my dock starts to come up. Let's see here. There we go. And now I want to tap on my Google Slides application because that's where I'm putting my research when I find it. So I'm just going to hold on it and pull it up to the side here of, there we go. So now I have split screen, and I can move it over a little bit further that way if I want, or a little bit over this way. And now as I'm getting my information on the left side all about John Adams, I can go ahead and put it into my presentation on the right side over here. All right, so hopefully that will be a helpful little tip for you. You can do that with any two apps. You can just have them both open split screen. Okay,